Indonesia Sommelier Association, it is my privilege to welcome you all to the start of the Indonesia Sommelier Competition 2025. It's my great honor on behalf of Indonesia Sommelier Association to welcome you all to the final of the Best of the Indonesia Best Sommelier Competition 2025.
Hi, thank you very much. I'm Eji from Photobooth. Very tight, very hard competition. Hopefully from this friend we can more motivate each other, can spark the other motivation as well.
Good afternoon, my name is Wisuda from the Best Club of the Bucket Landscape on Israel. It's the honor to is the representative to join the competition in Indonesia, Best of Sommelier Indonesia. It's the good to show that it's the knowledge and skill as well. It's really tough competitive competition as well. So we do the best, we can get the best as well. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Nancy. I'm from Photobooth Country Club. Just for second place of Indonesia Best Sommelier. It is such an honor for me to win this national event. In the future, we will get better every year.